G'day guys, welcome, Skypilot here. Rekon long range. I recently did some return to home and land features with this Rekon, and I was having all sorts of trouble with it, basically just crashing. So I played around with the settings. I might give it a go here. We'll just see how we go with the wind, etc. If it looks like I think it's gonna fly out of control, then perhaps I won't do it, but I am gonna have a fly around over those buildings there. Just need to look out for those power lines. I'm going to give the Firefly X a bit of a run. Really nice HD footage. Yeah, I really just go for a cruise. I'm always testing something and crashing something and getting frustrated with things. So today I'm actually just going to have a nice fly around. So enjoy the scenery and thumbs up, drop me a comment. Awesome. See you soon. Let's go. While I'm finding some GPSs, in case you don't know, this is the gear I'm using, Radio Master TX16S Max. I've got the TBS Crossfire on the back, nice little TBS antenna, long range, and trusty SkyZone 04X's, little Fat Shark battery pack here from 18650s. GPS fix, didn't take long, thanks very much, and a little real ACC patch on the front with a double luminaire lollipop, finishing off my VTX capturing abilities. Let's go. Okay. Now, why isn't my home? That's interesting. It's meant to display a little home icon there for home, but it's not. And when I arm it, it's actually meant to go to 0. Oh yes, it has now. There's home. Okay, so never take off unless that home position, that little house is showing there, guys. Otherwise if you do your fail-safe return to home, it's not going to return to home. Okay, I haven't flown here before, so it's going to be a bit of an experience for me. Oh, there's a little bit of wind. Let's get a bit of altitude because there are some power lines on the right hand side there. 800 milliwatts VTX, 11 satellites, 25k an hour, and cruising along pretty well. It is the weekend, so a lot of these business premises aren't actually aren't actually running at the moment, so not too concerned. 300 meters from home, not too concerned about people. I'll have a bit of a flyover and let's cruise back to show you guys where I am, up on the hill right over there. Uh, 30 meters, I think we probably need to sit around the 50 meter mark. Just want to make sure we have altitude, so we're not going to hit any power lines. Power lines can cause some interference as well. If you can see those power lines down there. Okay, let's just go straight out down here and see how we go for range. Am I tempted to do return to home? Gee whiz. I'm not sure. Maybe when it's a little bit closer I'll have a little bit of a crack at it. 500 meters from home. Bit of a new development area just over here, and there's the freeway as well, which I probably should stay clear of because I'm super responsible. 3.4 volts. 18650 pack on the roof, so I'm not too concerned about. I should have a bit more power there than that, but 3.3. And I'm going to be heading back into wind, so $17 satellites, so certainly got plenty of satellites. 21 meters, let's go up a little bit, shall we? Oh, I'm feeling game. I might give my return to home a bit of a whirl. See how we go. Got a fair bit of gear on this quad, so I don't actually want to lose it. So return to home, when you flick it, what it's going to do is, hopefully it's going to point in our general direction, and it's going to fly about 10 meters above the highest altitude that you actually reach. So what I might do is initiate return to home here, 170 meters from home, and look, if I need to go out to the paddock, then I suppose I will. Okay, let's see what happens when we return to home. I'm a bit concerned about those power lines there, but you see the wind's carrying it around a fair bit too. Okay, last time I did this, it went pear-shaped, so okay. Alright, here we go.
Return to home.
Return to home initiated. I'm getting ready to cancel return to home. Okay, it's flying up. It's flying up. It's flying up. At least it's not crashing this time like it was last time. Wow, it's gone to 175, 180 meters up. Oh no, sorry, that's 49, 50 meters up. So it's, first of all, it's going to fly slightly higher than, no, I disabled it then, it was going the wrong way. For some reason it was heading over those shops. Not cool, guys. Okay. No, I'm not going to do a return to home here. It's just far too many buildings and things around the place. I do not want to lose this quad. Alright, battery lights are flashing. Let's bring it home. Okay, a nice fly around, pretty good area, quite happy with it. Be interesting to see the footage. And again, return to home for some reason was, stop that buzzer, return to home for some reason was sending me, yeah, the wrong way over those buildings. So still more work to do there. All good fun, thanks for stopping by. See you next time, bye for now.